All right, guys, this is a quick video on how to actually do a carnivore diet, but in a certain context, which is if you have histamine responses from certain foods, or you have leaky gut, and that's the reason, or SIBO, or candida overgrowth, and that's why you start doing carnivore, keto carnivore, which means still eat high fat to adapt, which can also include an avocado, although naysayers would say that that's not carnivore, but we need the potassium, we don't need to mess with that. You want to rotate your foods like a rotating schedule to seal up that gut wall. People say do carnivore, but why and how? You want to be ketotic so you don't freaking frack up your adrenal system, your thyroid, and develop or exacerbate hypoglycemia on carnivore, right? You want your electrolytes to be in balance. You want to be able to absorb your B12. You want to be able to have your sodium potassium balance, because a lot of you guys are tired just because that's off, because you're taking too much sodium and not potassium. You want to rotate your foods. Rotate your foods. Don't just eat ribeye. Don't just eat red meat. A lot of you guys are not getting grass-fed red meat, beef. So now you're eating corn, like corn-fed sick cows right before slaughter. And that's not going to help your histamine reaction. So a lot of you guys are having a histamine response thinking you're fixing histamine. You're not taking diamine oxidase. You're not taking ancestral thymus, which is the right here, behind the lungs near the trachea of a goat, which really helps to create the diamine oxidase production in your small intestine to help take down that histamine, which is why you're doing this stupid carnivore thing anyway, because don't do it for weight loss. But yeah, you want to rotate. So if you're having different types of red meat, pork, lamb, because some people react to fish. That's why I say red meat. Some people don't like chicken. If you do eat chicken and eat the darker meat, rotate it. Rotate. Fats, you don't have to rotate as much because people have less of a histamine response to fats. They don't collect bacteria as much as the meat. Yes. So definitely on a carnivore diet, on a keto diet, on a low carb high diet, fat diet, I'm not starting over. You want to seal up that gut wall by rotating the foods every 3 to 4 days. You can take one meat for 3 days, like beef, rotated to pork or rotated to lamb. And if your histamine is so bad, take different parts of the animal. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Try to get fresh. Try to get from your local farmer. But if you can tolerate different meats, find the ones that you can tolerate, even if they tend to be a little bit on the leaner side, just so you can rotate. Because if you keep exposing that gut wall to bacteria or types of meats that your body's reacting to, it's going to heal slower without the rotation. So every 3 days, switch or take 2 meats each day, switch to another 2 meats or 1 or 3, just keep rotating. And if you're doing keto omnivore with plants, definitely rotate the plants with the same schedule. Now, it's very difficult to say with things like avocado. If you don't have a latex allergy, keep in that avocado daily, unfortunately, for the potassium, because we're adding in more sodium, because our bodies dump more water, because we're not eating carbs. It's very sensitive, you guys. You got to balance it to perfection to not have those issues with your sodium potassium pump problems, the leaky gut where you're not even absorbing the magnesium glycinate. And it's 3 videos in a row, and I keep flubbing my words, and I'm not starting over. So go to stephanieperson.com to book a consultation or to join my course page where I teach you these things extensively, or you can go to my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, just for free content, because I put up stuff every day, or Stephanie the Business Person on my other Facebook page where it's all free content. And now I gotta go and see my boyfriend Thunder, because I got some energy. 52 going on 53, almost 13 years straight strict. I've learned a lot, and I've learned a lot from all the clients over the years. I really have. Studies are like this, but talking to people like this, whole nother ball game. Ask Carnivore Yogi. All right, guys, and don't forget to go to her channel, because she's got great videos explaining her evolution and healing her body. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, my course page is awesome. It's a subscription membership. It's only $15. It's very cheap. And for now, it's cheap maybe later down the line I might up the price, but I work my butt off on it. And you can also have free mini consultations on the weekends like I just did today. And I'm out. Deuces! Thanks, guys. Energy.